Welcome back. Today we're going to go over evaluating expressions with one variable. So hopefully by the end of today you can go ahead and evaluate using the order of operations. And so with that one, some key ideas. The very first thing is we need to remember to substitute the number for a variable in the expression. So we're going to be doing a lot of substitution. And then with that substitution, make sure that you do order of operations, and that is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And with that, left to right from multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So starting out, here's a very simple problem. We're going to evaluate 7m when m equals 9. So to start any problem, I'm going to keep this color coordinated for you, and I'm going to go ahead and put 7m down. Now with that, 7 is next to a letter. We know that that is multiplication. Anytime a number is next to a letter, that means multiplication. So I'm going to substitute in 9 for m, and I'm going to put that in parentheses here. So I go ahead and then substitute that 9 in, and that means this is just 7 times 9, which gives us a grand total of 63. Next example. So we're going to evaluate s divided by 6 when s equals 30. I start out by writing out the problem, and once I have it written out, I'm going to go ahead and substitute what I know. I know that s is 30, so I'm going to go ahead and change that s to a 30. I'm going to rewrite that and say 30 divided by 6, and then I can go ahead and think, okay, what's 30 divided by 6, or what times 6 is equal to 30, and that should simplify to 5. Next example. So with this one, we're going to go ahead and evaluate 7 plus 4e when e equals 5. I start out by writing the problem. So I have 7 plus 4e when e equals 5 here. So I go ahead and change this. This e is actually 5, and so instead of writing e, I can go ahead and write 5. And I do that by rewriting this one and putting that 5 in parentheses. Now that I have that, which comes first, addition or multiplication? Order of operations states that multiplication comes first, so I do 4 times 5 first, and that means I now have 7 plus 20, and for a grand total of 27. Our last example that we're going to go through is very similar to that. We have evaluate n divided by 5 plus 4 when n equals 10. So I start out again by writing the problem down, and I have here n divided by 5. I don't know what, I can't do n divided by 5, but if I substitute and take this value here, which n is 10, I can go ahead and put that into this one, and that gives me a grand total of this part right here, where I no longer have n, I would have 10, and so I go ahead and take 10 divided by 5 plus 4. Now I could try to do 10 plus 4, but that doesn't follow order of operations. Order of operations states that I need to do division first before addition. So I go ahead and do that division, and I get 2 plus 4, and that simplifies to 6. I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Have a great day.